how to fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed. So if you've uploaded a video on TikTok, but it's not showing up on your For You feed, first things first, make sure there's no copyrighted material in your video. If there is, you'll need to delete it. Or the second solution is to grab your phone and open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, on the bottom right, you will have your profile. You need to tap on your profile and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you can scroll down, go with report a problem. After that, you'll find account and profile. Tap on it and then tap on profile page, and you need to tap on other. Scroll down until you see need more help. Once you tap on need more help, it will take you to this kind of interface, which will take you to the TikTok support. Now you can just simply go and send a message in which you're facing a problem. And after questioning, TikTok will answer you on how you can fix your problem. So in this way, you'll be able to fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.